Hey guys, today I'm here to show you exactly how to download movies from Disney Plus on your mobile device so you can watch it anytime, even without internet. First, make sure you have the Disney Plus app installed on your phone or tablet and that you're logged in into your account. So I have here my phone. So once you're in the app, browse or search for the movies you want. So let's put search. So found it, great. Let's say that we will be gonna be downloading Lilo and Stitch. Now, here's the key part. Look for the small download icon. It looks like a downward arrow with a line under it, and it's usually located right next to the play button or under the movie title. So you're gonna have to tap that. So Disney Plans will now begin downloading the movie directly to your device. You'll see a progress circle just like here, and once it's complete, you're good to go. So you will see downloaded when it's complete. So to access your downloaded movies, just tap the Downloads tab at the bottom of the screen here. From there, you can watch without Wi-Fi, no buffering, and no interruptions. Make sure you're just connected to Wi-Fi before downloading to save your mobile data and double check your storage if you have enough space. That's it. Now you can enjoy your favorite Disney content wherever you are. Happy watching.